Ciao Vettsy babes! Pack your bags and your nails because our June Deluxe box is officially live! Get your nails vacation ready with limoncello shades, ocean glitters, and exclusive summer charms. Let's unpack the ultimate Italian summer deluxe box. A 3D raindrop duo to create instant crystal clear water drops. A cat eye gel polish and a high pigment gel color. Mold custom designs like clay using the 3D sculpting gel. Add a soft touch to your nails using these glitters. Sprinkle the star glitter onto your nails for a sweet finish. We literally trapped sunshine in a jar for you in the set. Unlock the magnetic magic of cat eye pigment. Get those magical mermaid core vibes going with these flakes. Add a pop of bright life to your set with sunflowers. These adorable charms scream Amalfi Coast energy. Nothing says Italian summer quite like these lemon charms. Discover even more charms inside the box. Prepare to blind everyone when you open this Aurora box. Everyone will absolutely love using this mold for 3D shapes. A sturdy nail clipper is included because good prep is everything. Keep your cuticles looking salon fresh with it. Grab this magnet to recreate that viral glass bead effect easily. Keep all your tiny treasures organized inside this storage box. Upgrade any simple look with these stickers. Escape to Italy every time you open the fridge. Finally, pack all your beach essentials into the bag. Unboxing complete, but the real magic happens when you put them together. Check out these stunning summer looks we created using the items from this box. Set 1. Ocean Dewdrops. First, brush on the cat eye gel, use a magnet to pull the glow, and cure. Then, apply a layer of Step 1 from the 3D Raindrop Gel Duo to prepare the base. Finally, use the Step 2 gel to build those plump 3D water droplets before the final cure. Set 2. Floral French. Begin by applying a sheer nude gel base and painting a crisp, classic white French tip. Then, take small beads of hot pink 3D sculpting gel and carefully mold them into delicate petals right above the smile line. After curing, place some tiny silver beads in the center for a touch of elegance. Finally, seal the design and use clear gel to dot on a few fresh water droplets. Set 3. Summer Cocktail. First, lay down a smooth nude gel base. Next, gently pat those chunky glitter flakes across the nail to create a sparkling background. Then, arrange the mini liquor bottle, lemon slice, and sunflower charms, building that ultimate summer vacation vibe. Finally, encapsulate the edges with clear gel to secure. Set 4. Milky Star. To kick things off, apply a layer of clear gel, sweeping fine shimmer flakes near the cuticle to create a soft fade. Then, paint a milky white shade at the tip and seamlessly blend it upward. Now for the dreamy part. Carefully arrange pastel star glitter. At last, simply seal everything for a flawlessly smooth finish. We are completely obsessed with how these turned out. Now it's your turn to play with these gorgeous summer shades and charms at home. Pick up your June box today. Stay sparkling and see you next time!